this pizza here, I baked it straight in the oven. I have tomato sauce, I have cheese, not much in it, and I have some onions and just a little bit of like a little bit of some parsley. I think that's all I have for this one.
So it's more of a veggie pizza.
Yes.
And
yes.
this is poached eggs and jalapenos.
Yes.
Okay.
And tomatoes and cheese.
All
So
right.
these are the two different, so.
They look pretty good. So we're gonna give these a taste. Actually, I'm gonna probably put this in the microwave.
Still warm, I think. Still a little warm, I mean.
Oh, I see some jalapeno coming out.
Hope it's not too spicy. Is there any difference between the two?
Okay.
So
Now
we can
we're
tell the difference.
learning. We need to get a pizza cutter in this house.
That's right.
All right, time to taste the onion pizza.
Yes.
Mmm. Something else is in this. What else is in there? Is there meat in this?
No.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I forgot.
No.
Yes, I have sardines.
Okay, I was like, this is good.
I completely forgot. Yes, I
Look
have
at me.
sardines.
Guys, I'm going back for another one.
I know you like sardines, you know, like
I
I
love
have
sardines.
sardines with onions and then the tomato sauce and
So this is more of a fish and veggies,
yeah, right? Yeah.
which I really love.
Yeah, I forgot. Oh boy. I forgot, yeah, the sardine from the can. You know that
Yeah.
one that you like in a small
It
can.
tastes so good. I love the combination of the sardine and the pizza.
Yeah. All right.
good!
Come and do your thing, like with your hand. Saying yeah, that one.
So good. I'm so excited. This is seriously delicious. So this is the fish and veggies, we're calling it. And this is the poached egg jalapenos.